Hey everyone, I'm Wagga Warrior, aka Julie. Welcome to my channel. If you stop by because you love seeing what people pick up when they do a Boxycharm drop shop haul, then you're in the right place and keep on watching. Alright, I don't know why I threw this in the air. This is so big, so huge, and is the last drop shop haul I will ever be able to make because Boxycharm went bye-bye, and I'm sure I'll be able to do a drop shop, but it's going to be the Boxycharm by Ipsy, or God knows what they're going to call it. Anyways, enough rambling. Do I remember what is in this huge box? No. Do I remember buying a few things? Yes. But nothing that warrants a box this big or this heavy. What did I buy? All right, let me dive in and we will figure that out. You may be saying, well, you ordered it. Why don't you remember? First of all, I do a lot of hauls, a lot of shopping, a lot of unboxings, and I'm old. I just forget. All right, I forget who shared this with me. I think it was you, Nola. It's with this fancy, what do you call this? The stuff that protects. It looks like somebody was decorating for a bridal shower and had extra paper stuff. Let me just deal with this, and then I'll come back and share the products. Honestly, this weighs about half of what this box feels like. I am not kidding. That is a lot of paper, and paper weighs a ton. Okay, I only have 6 items. So why the box was so big was so that they could shove 18 pounds of white wedding decorations. So weird. Okay, first item, it's all coming back to me. I picked up this guy. No, I didn't buy Boxycharm. What is this? All right, so this is a brush cleaner. There we go. It says right there. If you only knew how many dirty brushes I have and how long it takes me to clean them all, because I'm the type of person, do I wash 5 to 6 a week? No. I wait until I go through almost my entire collection, and I'll have like 50 brushes that I have to wash at one time. That takes a while. I really hope this works because Boxycharm doesn't exist, and I'm pretty sure I won't be able to return this. Wow, this looks complicated. There's a bunch of doohickeys in here, and this feels heavy. I think it's a remote control. Leave me a comment if you've seen anyone use this or if you own it yourself, and if I maybe in hindsight should have done some research before adding it to my cart. But hey, I now own a brush cleaner. All right, so the next products, yes, there are 2. I'll just share them at the same time. This is the main reason I did the drop shop sale. I have lightened my hair, and I understand that it's good to use purple shampoo and conditioner to avoid the brassiness. These here are from a brand called UMBERTO GIANNINI, and I have the Color Tone shampoo and the Color Tone conditioner. Now, unfortunately with the drop shop sale, you have to spend $25 minimum to avoid paying shipping and handling. And your girl here hates paying shipping and handling. So put these in the cart. I want to say these were $6 each. And then I had to find products to equal at least $25. Thus, the brush cleaner and this next product, which I don't know what it is. It's in a very strange as in it's a plain white box with somebody handwriting something on the side here. Oh, it does say, oh, this is from, okay. On this side it does say something. All right, it says it's from Item Beauty, and it's the Blushin Like Cream Blush Admitted. Why does this weigh 50 pounds? Wait, it says quantity inner shipper 8 pieces? Okay, now I'm confused. What is this? Holy cow. I thought I bought one blush. Is this like their entire collection? Watch this be like the same shade 8 times over. All right, Blushin Like. Where's the shade? Okay. Oh, on the side there are colors. Oh my God. Was that like a oops? These are legit all the same color. Someone who shops Ipsy a lot, Nola, let me know if you looked at this and was it advertised like, yeah, you get a whole carton of it, or do you think they made a mistake? That or here's a new theory I just came up with. The people who are losing their jobs at the Boxycharm warehouse, this was like their last task, and they were like, F it, I'm giving this person this entire carton. I don't know, that's weird. Let's take a look to see if it's even a shade I will love and enjoy. If so, I have backups for decades, or I might toss it into numerous future giveaways. All right, so that's what it looks like on my finger. And there it is, just swiped and blended out. That is really, really beautiful. And it's an interesting texture. They called it a cream, but it feels more like a powder. And it has a nice shimmer. It's not glittery, but it does have like a nice little shimmer to it if you enjoy that. And I actually do. All right. Well, I ate, but hey, too bad I don't have a Macari. I could probably sell them. That is weird. I guess happy accident. I'm going to feel so bad if I read on Reddit where somebody ordered this and it didn't end up in their box and they email and they're like, oops, sold out. Yeah, because I got them all. All right, next item came with bubble wrap. I have to call that out because it's so not the norm. This here is a little mini palette from ColourPop. It's the Bambi Thumper palette. I don't really need much because I already have 8 million things. So I was looking for items that were $3 to $4, and this hit the mark. All right, that is a very cute, soft, right up my alley, pinky kind of neutral palette, and hopefully the shades are good. It's an awesome size to throw in my makeup bag if and when I ever get to travel. The last item along those same lines, this here is from ColourPop, and it was very inexpensive, and it was tossed in just to reach that dollar amount. It is the Luxe Gloss, and I have it in the shade Eclectic. I actually already own some Luxe Glosses from ColourPop, which I appreciate and enjoy. And let's take a look. Oh, right up my alley. Excellent nude shade, and you know I gotta take a sniff and throw it on my face. Okay, to me these ColourPops, they're kind of sweet but smell a little bit of like coffee. Not a strong coffee, but I don't know, kind of gives me a sweet coffee scent. Let's see how she looks. Yeah, it's more shimmery than I would think. It's kind of a definitely a nude, and the shimmer has a slight, I won't say gold, but a little bit of goldish. I guess it's like a peachy shimmer. All right, that is everything in my haul, which is a very small haul, 6 items. But based on the size of the box, I was like, goodness gracious, what did I buy? 6 small items put in a box with legitimately enough. Look at this. This weighs more than all of the products combined that I purchased. And I'm not exaggerating. If I can find my receipt or what I paid, I will list something on screen. I don't know about you, but I'm always very curious what people pick up items for, and I love seeing that information. Now I want to hear from you. Did you do one last pop-up sale drop shop haul from Boxycharm? If so, what did you pick up? Did you get any of the items I got? Did you get these weird filling to protect the items in your box? And if so, did you get like 16 pounds of it like I did? All right, I want to thank each and every one of you for stopping by. I really do appreciate it. If you haven't done so by now, I would love if you would subscribe for those who have. Thank you so much. Remember to click the bell icon so you can be notified of future videos. And if you can do me a huge favor, if you could click that thumbs up, it really does help with my channel to grow. All right, thanks everyone.